Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NF here, and perhaps it's the first time on this channel. I'm not really sure. I listened to it before, but perhaps haven't bring up here on Gordon Guitar. Anyway, he released a new album here recently, so we'll cover a couple of songs of his. So we'll start with this one, Mistake. Great song there. Starts very slow and goes slow through the entire song, with very strong, like always from NF, strong song like that. So let's take a look at this one. We're going clean here with this one, so no need for any capo. We'll have a couple chords to go over, so let's take a look at the chords first. So we'll start with C. That is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have this D with an F sharp in the bass, so the D F chord. That's second on E, then I mute the next string with my finger I'm using there, my next finger, I just lean on top of the A string, so it gets muted. Then open D, second G, third B, and yeah, open E for this one. I avoid to go too far down here, so I stick with the bass and mid strings when I play the D F for this specific song. So that's the D F chord. Next one is the B minor. So it's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the second fret. All right, you bar all strings except from the last E here, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is a D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, so there you have all the chords you need. Now we'll take a look at the chord progression, because we'll just work with downs here, so no need for any chord progression or so. So just simple downs, 1 or 2 downs per chord, that's it. So the chord progression through the entire song will be C, E minor, D, F, and B minor. All right, that's the first half. And then the second half will be starting in the same way, C, E minor, then G, and B minor. All right. So from the beginning, C, E minor, it starts in the same way with these two chords, then D, F, B minor, then C, E minor, G, and B minor. All right, that's the first round, so to speak. The second round is exactly the same. The only difference there is the last chord. You have the B minor as the last chord on the first round. You replace that with the D instead on the second round. So it goes in the same way, all these 7 chords to begin with. And then on the first round, you end with the 8th chord, B minor. On the second round, you end with the D. All right, so that's how it goes. So the biggest part of this song goes with just 1 down per chord. So 1 down and a pause, E minor, pause, D, F, pause, E minor, C, E minor, G, and on the first round, B minor. And in second round, D. Goes over and over like this. All right, but then it adds a little bit there. So at about 1 minute and 45 seconds into the song, you could add a couple notes, and you will do that for just 1 round. It's the first round with the B minor ending. All right, so the added notes will be here on the G and B string. So it will be second on G, open on B, and back to second on G. You will play that between the chords. So the first round starts like C. And you play these 3 notes. Second G, open B, second G. You do the same with next chord, E minor. Then D, F. And B minor. C. E minor. G. And B minor. Alright, so that's at 1 minute and 45 seconds into the song. And then the next round here starts again with C, of course, and then it adds up to 2 downs per chord. So and so on, okay? You do that for 2 full rounds, all right? So 2 full rounds with 2 downs, and then after that it goes back again to the original 1 down per chord, and it goes like that till the end. So that pretty much covers NF's Mistake. So this was the first here of this day of his new album here, Mistake. So we will come back pretty soon with more songs from his new album. So stay tuned and play tuned, guys.